Hi there, this is Avraham with Reconvert. Today I'm excited to show you how to use the product collection condition in Shopify. This feature will allow you to create targeted upsell and cross-sell offers based on specific product collections, helping you make sure that your stores offers more personalized and effective offers. So let's go ahead and get started. So when you're in your Shopify Reconvert Flow Builder panel, go ahead and click Add Condition. On the right-hand side, you can name this condition whatever you desire. You can select the condition as product collection. You'll be able to determine whether this condition fires when one product in the cart meets the condition or whether every product in the cart must meet the description. We're going to do at least one product in the cart. We want it to be in a collection from the list that we're going to select, but if you wanted to select one that is not in a collection from the list, you can do so here as well. We're going to pick our hydrogen collection and we're going to go ahead and click Save. We've now created the product collections condition. This means that once we add the widgets for this condition, those widgets will only be shown if at least one product in the customer's cart is on a collection from the list that we've determined as hydrogen. So that's it. You've now successfully set up a product collection condition in Reconvert. For more tips and tutorials, visit our help desk or check out our YouTube channel. And of course, as always, our support team is available 24/7 over live chat. You can select to speak to live chat down here in the bottom right corner of the page.